We're Rachel and Austin, traveling the USA in our Winnebago Rebel. We travel with our dog Olympia, who's living her best life. And today, we're out in Atlantic City, placing them bets. Why are you upset?
Because we drove all the way across the country for specifically this. This is the only thing we drove over here for, and it's under construction.
It says that it's still open, so we're gonna go check it out. Hello, Atlantic City! We're actually not in Atlantic City right now. We're a little bit south of that. The world's largest elephant, apparently one of the oldest roadside attractions. A real estate developer built this girl in the hopes of getting people out here to Atlantic City. She's 6 stories tall. Of course, we've timed this trip amazingly to be at the beach. It is whipping wind and raining all day. The elephant is so well known. She's even up there. The restoration of Lucy the elephant is estimated to cost $1.9 billion and has faced many challenges along the way. The ocean is quite rough. I don't think we're gonna bring the dog out.
It's sad because this is the reality of 2021 travel. Everything is closed.
It's raining. So do you think this is the real Caesar's Palace? Hi. Where do you want to place the bets, Austin?
What's up, guys? Coming to you live here from Atlantic City, and it's getting ready to snow.
The roulette tables were not open. Hopefully we find some. The whole boardwalk is not running any of the rides.
Everything's off. I don't think it's really coming down. Let's do it. Still no table games yet. Ugh. You got a 50-50 chance.
I know. It was a triple hit red, and we did not win on black. That's why you don't gamble, folks. We're really bad at betting. Because we're from Vegas, we don't know how to do it. So I don't know if it's because it's a holiday, or because it's raining, or because it's off season, or because of all of those things, but there's like no restaurants open. So we're at Margaritaville.
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it's raining, so lighthouse?
We're headed to a lighthouse.
Made a great decision to not go up in the lighthouse because the wind's blowing like 40 miles an hour.
I feel like the dog right now. Look at the dog. Well, don't look at the dog. She changed. She's just so upset.
What kind of sorcery is this?